Good morning, y'all. I have got a 5 off 20 all Snuggle Purex Persil Dial and Soft Scrub deal for ya. I have 3 different scenarios. All of them are $8, so you will pay $8 for $20 in laundry items. So if you are interested, then just keep watching. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe. Just click that bell, set it to all notifications, and you won't miss a single upload. Also, if you enjoy the video, maybe leave a like and a comment so I can thank you for watching. And if you really like it, maybe even hype it. Thanks, y'all. And in case you missed it, I did post my little penny medication haul where I got 33 meds and I paid 33 cents. Now, retail, it would have been $266. So, if you're interested, check that out. And I also posted a whole bunch of freebies yesterday morning, so if you missed that, make sure to check that out because a lot of these are during the clearance event only, so you don't want to miss out on those. Alright, now let's jump into these $8 scenarios. Now for each of these, you will need this 5 off 20 all Snuggle Purex Persil Soft Scrub and Dial. So make sure you have that clipped. It is a one-time use only, so keep that in mind. I'm just giving you options to choose from. Alright, y'all, this is scenario 1. We're going to need this $3 off 1 Purex liquid laundry detergent coupon clipped. And I am going to pick up the 150 ounce bottle of the Purex. So buy one of these and put it in your cart. Next coupon we need is the $4 off any 2 all free and clear liquid. Now you're going to want to pick up 2 of the $5 bottles and put those in your cart. Alright, here's our breakdown. We're picking up 1 Purex 150 ounce detergent for $10, 2 all free and clear at $10. Our subtotal is right there on the nose at $20. We're going to get that $5 off for that Hinkle coupon. We're going to get $3 off for Purex and $4 off for all. We are going to pay $8 out of pocket for everything. Moving right along to scenario 2. For this one, you're going to need the $3 cash back on Persil liquid laundry detergent. This is a limit of 1. We're going to pick up one of the 63 ounce Persil liquid laundry detergents and put that in our cart. Next digital you need is the $2 cash back on Persil laundry detergent, and this is a limit of 1. And then we're going to pick up one of the Persil liquid laundry detergents at $5.50. Next, we're going to need the $1.50 cash back on Dial body wash clipped. This is a limit of 1. We're going to pick up one of the 16 ounce Dial body wash that attach to the cash back. There are a couple different kinds, so you can choose which you like best. Next, make sure you have your cash back clipped for the 16 ounce Dial men's body wash. We're going to earn a $1.50 cash back. And we're going to pick up the new to clearance Dial Soothe body wash. We're going to pick up one of these at $1.80 and toss it in our cart. Alright, here is the breakdown. We're buying 1 Persil 63 ounce detergent for $9.95, 1 Persil 40 ounce detergent at $5.50, 1 Dial 16 ounce body wash at $4, and 1 Dial men's 16 ounce body wash at $1.80. Our subtotal is $21.25. Now we are going to get $5 right off the top with that Hinkle coupon. We're going to pay $16.25, but we're going to earn $8 cash back, making our new out-of-pocket $8.25. Scenario number 3. For this one, you're going to need to have the $2.75 cash back clipped on the Dial men's 32 ounce body wash. Now this is a limit of 1, so we can only do it one time. We are going to pick up one of the 32 ounce Dial men's body wash and toss that in the cart. Then make sure you have the $2.75 on the Dial body wash in the 32-ounce pump bottles clipped. This is just the regular old Dial body wash, but not the men's. It is a separate cashback offer from the men's Dial. We're going to pick up one of the 32-ounce Dial Refresh and Renew in the Spring Water scent and toss that in our cart. Next, make sure you have the $1 cash back on 65-ounce or 75-ounce Purex liquid laundry detergent. Then we're going to pick up one of the 75-ounce laundry detergents and put that in our cart. Here is the breakdown for this one. We are buying one Dial Men's 32-ounce body wash at $7.50, one Dial Refresh and Renew 32-ounce body wash at $7.50, one Purex 75-ounce detergent at $6. Our subtotal is $20. We're going to get that $5 off for Henkel. We will pay $15, but we're going to earn $6.50 cash back, making our new total just $8.50. So as I am filming this early this morning, Moxie is just laid out on the bed, just all the way taken up the bottom half with her legs sprawled out. It was so funny that I had to share it because her little butt and legs are so cute. She looks like a big old fat, like, laid out sausage. I don't know, but the way her little feet are pointed and everything, I figured y'all would enjoy this because what in the hell? She owns this whole house, I swear. Also, guys, don't forget we've got another 3-day sale coming up November 20th through the 22nd. So I'm going to head out to my stores today and get visuals on all the deals so that I can share them with y'all, because there's always great deals on these 3-day sales, and they almost always do it every November. So this is a great time to get some awesome stuff at some great prices without having to rely on Black Friday to get deals, because let me tell you, there's nothing I hate worse than a packed store, people bumping into me, coughing on me. No, thank you. All right, y'all, thank you so very much for watching. I truly appreciate each and every one of you. You guys are so awesome and so supportive, and I just really appreciate it because I couldn't do what I do without you guys. Because if you didn't care, you didn't watch, I wouldn't be here doing it, right? So I owe it all to you. Thank you guys so very much. We are well on our way to 17,000 subscribers, and I just think that's absolutely insane. So thank y'all so very much. You really are the best, and I love y'all. All right, guys, I hope you save big on these detergent deals, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Bye, guys.